These are 7 reasons why the Toyota Hilux Champ might be worth waiting for, instead of buying a Ford Maverick right now. But before we dive into those reasons, we need to address something critical that could change everything about this comparison. September 2021 brought the Ford Maverick launch, and since then it's been one of the hottest trucks you can buy. Toyota unveiled the Hilux Champ in November 2023 in Thailand, getting truck enthusiasts excited about what could be the budget pickup we've all been waiting for. But here's the thing. As of December 2024, Toyota has made absolutely no official announcement about bringing the Hilux Champ to the United States, none whatsoever, and that changes everything. Toyota designed this truck specifically for emerging markets in Southeast Asia and other developing regions, which means there's no timeline for a potential US introduction, and nobody knows whether it would even meet US safety and emission standards. When we talk about waiting for the Hilux Champ, we need to be honest with ourselves. You might be waiting for a truck that never actually arrives in American dealerships. That said, let's explore what makes this truck interesting, and why it's generating so much buzz among people who follow the truck market. If Toyota ever does decide to bring it here, or if you're in a market where you can actually buy one, here are 7 reasons why it could be a compelling alternative to the Maverick. Cost is the most obvious advantage, so let's start there. Ford prices the Maverick at $24,995 for the base XL trim, which actually makes it pretty competitive for the American truck market, and one of the most affordable new trucks you can buy in the United States right now. Thailand currently sells the Hilux Champ with a base model starting around 469,000 Thai baht, and that converts to approximately 13 to 14,000 US dollars. Even the higher trims max out around 600,000 baht, roughly $17,000 to $18,000, which creates a price gap that's hard to ignore. Before you get too excited about that number, remember these are Thailand prices, and if the Hilux Champ ever came to the US market, it would need modifications to meet our safety and emissions standards. Shipping costs would pile on, then import duties, then dealer markups, and all the other expenses that come with bringing a vehicle to the American market, which means the final US price would climb higher than that $13,000 figure. Even with several $1,000s added to account for those costs, you'd still be looking at a truck that undercuts the Maverick by a margin that matters. Buyers who prioritize low purchase price above everything else could find that gap meaningful, and we're talking about saving anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, money that could go toward modifications, maintenance, or just staying in your pocket where it belongs. Buying a truck to actually haul heavy loads for work or commercial purposes is where the Hilux Champ starts to pull ahead. Payload capacity on the Maverick tops out at 1,500 pounds depending on your configuration, which is respectable for a compact truck and enough for most weekend projects and light hauling. 1,000 kilograms is what the Hilux Champ can carry, translating to about 2,200 pounds, and that's 700 more pounds of capacity than the Maverick. That difference means hauling a full load of lumber and tools instead of leaving some behind, or taking on a job instead of turning it down because your truck can't handle the weight. Understanding what each truck was designed to do makes this difference clear. Urban and suburban buyers who need a versatile vehicle for daily driving and occasional hauling got the Maverick, while commercial users, fleet buyers, and people in developing markets who need their truck to be a genuine workhorse got the Hilux Champ. Agricultural applications, construction sites, and situations where the truck has to earn its keep every single day are what Toyota had in mind. Contractors, landscapers, or anyone who regularly maxes out their truck's payload capacity know that extra 700 pounds isn't just a spec sheet number. Fewer trips means better efficiency, and better efficiency means the ability to take on jobs you'd otherwise have to turn down because your truck couldn't handle the load. Something that doesn't show up on a spec sheet but matters tremendously for long-term ownership is this. The Hilux Champ is a simpler machine than the Maverick, designed from the ground up with repairability and easy maintenance as priorities that couldn't be compromised. Basic, proven technology with fewer electronic systems is what the Hilux Champ uses, available with a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter gasoline engine or a 2.4-liter diesel, paired with either a 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission depending on the market and trim level. No hybrid system to worry about, no turbocharged engine with complex cooling systems that can fail, no continuously variable transmission that some mechanics won't touch. The Maverick's standard powertrain is a 2.5-liter hybrid with a CVT transmission, producing 191 combined horsepower and delivering 42 miles per gallon in city driving. That's an impressive system that works well, but it's also complex, with batteries, electric motors, power electronics, and specialized components that require specialized knowledge to repair. Ford's optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbo with an 8-speed automatic delivers impressive performance, putting out 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Turbocharged engines have more components that can fail though. Turbochargers wear out, intercoolers leak, specialized oil systems develop problems that your average mechanic might not know how to diagnose. Anyone who does their own maintenance or lives far from a dealership finds the Hilux Champ's simplicity to be a genuine advantage. Parts are cheaper and easier to find when something breaks, and the repairs are simpler, often doable with basic tools that you already own. Toyota made this a deliberate design choice, building a truck for markets where sophisticated dealer service networks might not exist, and where a broken truck means lost income. Valuing the ability to fix your own truck or wanting something that a small-town mechanic can work on without specialized diagnostic equipment means the Hilux Champ's old-school approach has real merit that goes beyond just saving money on repairs. Buying a Hilux Champ means you're not just buying a budget pickup truck, you're buying into a legacy that spans decades. Legendary status in the truck world belongs to the Hilux name, and Toyota built the Hilux Champ on their IMV platform, the same innovative international multi-purpose vehicle platform that underpins the regular Hilux and the Fortuner SUV. Proven track records in some of the harshest conditions on Earth define these vehicles. Decades of service in extreme climates, rough terrain, and punishing work conditions built the Hilux reputation, and there are Hilux trucks still running with hundreds of thousands of miles in environments that would destroy lesser vehicles within a few years. Ford's C2 platform is what the Maverick rides on, sharing that architecture with the Bronco Sport and the Escape. These are good vehicles that work well for their intended purpose, but crossovers and SUVs for the North American market are what the platform was designed as, and the platform only launched in 2021, which means we don't have decades of data on its long-term durability in extreme conditions. Fair enough, the Hilux Champ is a more budget-focused variant than the regular Hilux, using some cost-cutting measures to hit that lower price point. Toyota still engineered it with their reputation for reliability in mind though, and they designed it for markets where vehicle longevity isn't optional, it's essential for survival. Planning to keep a vehicle for 10, 15, or 20 years means the Hilux family's track record gives you confidence that the Champ could still be running long after other trucks have been scrapped and sent to the junkyard. Certain markets get something from the Hilux Champ that the Maverick simply doesn't offer: a diesel engine option. That 2.4-liter diesel isn't about performance or acceleration, it's about torque, fuel efficiency under load, and longevity that gasoline engines struggle to match. Work trucks are actually meant to do certain jobs, and diesel engines excel at exactly those jobs. More torque at lower RPMs means better pulling power for towing and hauling, and they're more fuel efficient when carrying heavy loads or towing, which is exactly when gasoline engines struggle the most. Diesel engines, when properly maintained, can often outlast gasoline engines by margins that make the higher initial cost worthwhile. Impressive numbers come from the Maverick's hybrid system: 42 miles per gallon in city driving and 33 on the highway in front-wheel drive configuration, which is genuinely excellent for a truck. Those numbers drop significantly when you load it up or tow a trailer though, and the EcoBoost option improves towing capacity to 4,000 pounds with the proper package, but fuel economy drops to 22 city and 29 highway with all-wheel drive. Regularly towing or hauling at or near the maximum capacity means a diesel's efficiency advantage under load could result in real fuel savings over time. Many parts of the world sell diesel fuel cheaper than gasoline, making the operating costs even lower for people who rack up serious miles. This advantage only matters if the diesel option actually comes to your market, and in the US, diesel passenger vehicles face stricter emissions requirements, which explains why we see fewer diesel options than other parts of the world. Getting the diesel Hilux Champ gives you a genuine capability advantage for work-focused buyers who need that torque and efficiency. This might sound like a criticism at first, but for the right buyer, it's actually an advantage worth paying attention to. Unapologetically utilitarian describes the Hilux Champ perfectly. Reports suggest the interior features very basic materials, and there aren't a lot of creature comforts or modern convenience features that suburban buyers expect. Durability, repairability, and low cost of ownership were the design priorities, not impressing your neighbors with premium materials and technology. Urban and suburban buyers who want their truck to also be a pleasant daily driver got the Maverick, which comes with Ford's Sync infotainment system, available driver assistance features, and a contemporary interior design that wouldn't look out of place in a car. 5 people can sit comfortably in the crew cab configuration, making it practical for families who need to haul kids and cargo at the same time. All those features add cost, complexity, and potential points of failure though. Commercial buyers or anyone who genuinely uses their truck as a tool rather than transportation find the Hilux Champ's no-frills approach means you're not paying for things you don't need and won't use. Leather-wrapped steering wheels or large touchscreens don't help you get work done. An engine that starts every morning and a bed that can handle abuse are what you're paying for with the Hilux Champ. Fleet buyers managing dozens or hundreds of vehicles see those savings multiply significantly, and an individual buyer who just needs reliable work transportation has to ask why pay extra for features you'll never use. People who want one vehicle that does everything find the Maverick's car-like nature perfect for their needs. Already having a comfortable daily driver and needing a dedicated work truck means the Hilux Champ's utilitarian approach isn't a compromise, it's exactly what you want. A practical consideration affects your ability to actually buy a Ford Maverick today. Demand has consistently outstripped supply since the truck launched in September 2021. Production constraints have dogged the Maverick throughout its life, and Ford periodically opens and closes order windows because they can't keep up with demand. Even placing an order doesn't guarantee a quick delivery, and you might face a wait that stretches for months. Many dealers maintain waiting lists, and because demand runs so high, some dealers add markups above the suggested retail price, pushing that $25,000 base price higher than Ford intended. Similar demand would likely hit the Hilux Champ if it comes to the US market, because new affordable trucks always generate excitement among buyers who've been priced out of the truck market. Toyota has more experience manufacturing vehicles for developing markets at scale though, and the production systems are already in place in Thailand, which means if they decided to expand production to meet US demand, they'd have an advantage over Ford's constrained production capacity. This is all hypothetical since the Hilux Champ isn't actually available here yet. Frustration with the Maverick's availability issues makes the possibility of another affordable truck option entering the market worth monitoring, even if that possibility remains distant. An honest conversation about the elephant in the room needs to happen now. Everything we've discussed sounds great in theory. Lower price, higher payload, simplicity, diesel option, Hilux heritage. These are all genuine advantages on paper that matter to certain buyers. Reality looks different though. Walking into a Ford dealership right now, today, means you can order a Maverick, and it exists. It's real. It's been tested and reviewed by American journalists. US safety and emission standards are met. Parts and service are available at Ford dealers across the country, and you can drive one tomorrow if a dealer has stock. Thailand and select Southeast Asian markets are where the Hilux Champ is sold, and that's it. Zero official announcements about US availability have come from Toyota. There's no timeline, no confirmation that it would even be legal to sell here without modifications that could be extensive, no information about pricing if it did arrive. Regulatory barriers are real and substantial. US crash test standards differ from other markets. Our emissions requirements are strict, and the vehicle would need modifications that would increase the cost. That $13,000 Thai price tag would definitely not be the American price, not even close. Design itself presents challenges that go beyond just regulations. Single cab and cab chassis configurations are primarily what the Hilux Champ is available in, but American truck buyers increasingly prefer crew cabs with full rear seats. American expectations might not be met by the basic interior, even at a lower price point, and the lack of advanced safety features that are becoming standard in the US market could be a problem for buyers and regulators alike. Waiting for the Hilux Champ means what exactly? A vehicle that might never come, or a vehicle that if it does come, might be significantly different and more expensive than the Thai version we're seeing now. How long are you willing to wait for something that might never happen? What this comparison really comes down to is simpler than you might think. Needing a truck right now means the Maverick is an excellent choice that actually exists, offering impressive fuel economy, modern features, genuine versatility, and ranking among the most affordable trucks in the American market. Demand running so high tells you something. Ford got the formula right for what a lot of buyers want. An interesting alternative approach is what the Hilux Champ represents: maximum simplicity, minimum cost, built for durability above all else. Certain buyers, especially those who need a dedicated work truck and don't care about creature comforts, could find it to be the better choice, but only if it actually becomes available in your market. Thailand or another market where the Hilux Champ is sold means this is a real decision you can make today. Compare the specs, test drive both if possible, and choose based on your actual needs rather than speculation. The United States presents a different situation entirely. Don't put your truck purchase on hold waiting for a vehicle that might never arrive on these shores. Meeting your needs and fitting your budget means the Maverick deserves a serious look, and if it doesn't work for you, look at other trucks that are actually available. The Tacoma, Ranger, Colorado, or whatever else fits your requirements. Keep an eye on Toyota's announcements though. Check automotive news periodically, because if they do announce the Hilux Champ for North America, then you can make a real comparison with real prices and real specifications. Until then, comparing an actual truck to a theoretical one isn't a fair basis for making a purchase decision that involves tens of thousands of your dollars. Genuinely Interesting describes the Hilux Champ perfectly. Simple, affordable, durable trucks have real appeal in a market where prices keep climbing. Interest and speculation don't get you a truck in your driveway that you can use for work tomorrow morning though, and reality does. 7 reasons why the Hilux Champ might be worth considering, and one big reason why. For most American buyers right now, it isn't the truck doesn't actually exist in our market. Sometimes the best choice is the one that's actually available, not the one you wish existed. Thanks for watching.